브래드 친구가 할 발표 제목은요, I'm your friend입니다. 우리 브래드 친구 배꼽 성 부모님께 인사.
효도하겠습니다. Hello, my name is Fred. I am 6 years old. From
I'm your friend. Listen to the song, I'm your friend. Two round eyes and 2 long ears. What am I? 1 big mouth, 4 sharp teeth and a short neck. What am I? A scary nose and a green tongue. What am I? Curly hair, 2 mighty hands and 2 mighty feet. What am I? It's me, I'm a monster, I'm your friend.